Kubernetes skills can take you from entry-level to a senior engineering salary in less than 18 months. No computer science degree required. Here is the exact learning path that is working for professionals around the world right now. Kubernetes, commonly referred to as K8s, is essentially the operating system of modern cloud infrastructure. Every company using containers at scale needs Kubernetes expertise. The challenge: most companies cannot find enough people who truly understand it. Why does Kubernetes pay so well globally? It is genuinely complex to learn well. This high barrier to entry means fewer qualified engineers and higher salaries. It is also critical infrastructure. When Kubernetes fails, applications go offline. Companies pay premium for engineers who can prevent and resolve that. And adoption is near universal. Research shows that over 85% of enterprises running containers use Kubernetes. This is not a trend, it is standard infrastructure globally. Here is an 18-month learning path that works. Months 0 to 3, Foundation. Learn Linux fundamentals, Docker and containerization basics, networking concepts, and YUM configuration. Aim for the Certified Kubernetes Administrator, the CKAD, certification at the end of this phase. Months 4 to 9, Intermediate. Deploy production clusters. Implement monitoring with Prometheus and Grafana. Set up C/CD pipelines using Argo CD or Flux. Pursue the Certified Kubernetes Application Developer (CKAD) certification. Months 10 to 18, Advanced. Master Helm charts and package management. Implement service mesh using Istio or Linked. Handle disaster recovery and backup strategies. Optimize performance and cloud costs. Work towards the Certified Kubernetes Security Specialist, CKS. What roles open up after this path? Kubernetes Administrator, managing clusters, handling upgrades, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Kubernetes DevOps Engineer, building deployment pipelines and automating everything with infrastructure as code. Kubernetes Security Engineer, implementing policies, vulnerability scanning, and compliance. Portfolio advice that works globally: start with local clusters using Minikube or Kind. Build personal projects deploying real applications. Contribute to open source Kubernetes tooling. Document everything in a public GitHub repository. These portfolios get you interviews regardless of your location or educational background. The CKA certification is particularly respected because it is a hands-on exam. You actually configure real clusters during the test. Many companies use it as a filter when shortlisting candidates. Kubernetes is challenging, but completely learnable with the right structured path. Our Kubernetes Career Accelerator takes you from 0 to CKA certified, with real-world projects that build your portfolio. The link is below. Subscribe for actionable career roadmaps in high-demand tech skills.